The third generation of the sporting luxury Porsche Panamera is characterized by a fresh and expressive design, a wider range of digital features and a broader spectrum between dynamic performance and driving comfort. More powerful e-hybrid powertrains and a new high-specification suspension system underline the claim to offer the most dynamic sedan in the segment. The new Panamera retains the characteristic lines and proportions of the model line. Its fundamentally revamped appearance lends the sports sedan an even more expressive and sporting look. Up front, an additional air intake above the number plate compensates for the increased air requirement of the drive systems. The redesigned window line in the side view reinforces the sedan character of the four-door sports car. The outer edges of the rear window are flush with the contour of the body, creating harmonious lines at the rear of the car. Porsche is also equipping the Panamera with standard matrix LED headlights. The high-resolution HD matrix LED lighting system, which has more than 32,000 pixels per headlight, is available as an option. It offers completely new lighting features, such as dedicated lane brightening. The illumination range is up to 600 meters. The new Panamera already comes with dual-chamber 2-valve air suspension with Porsche Active Suspension Management as standard. The innovative Porsche Active Ride active suspension system is available as an option for the e-hybrid models of the new Panamera. This system surpasses other suspension concepts in all relevant parameters and offers an unprecedented range between driving comfort and driving dynamics. The Porsche Driver Experience cockpit concept features the ideal balance between digital and analog control elements and positions the input and output elements essential for driving along the driver's axis. The gear selector lever is directly to the right of the steering wheel. The mode switch for the normal, Sport and Sport Plus driving programs and the assistance control stalks are also directly accessible to the driver. This means that they don't need to take their eyes off the road in order to adjust the drive programs and assistance systems. The 12.6-inch display is characterized by a curved and freestanding design. Porsche clearly structures the driving information displayed on it into 3 areas, for which different configurations are possible depending on the equipment and the selected view. The additional, optional head-up display can be operated directly from the sports steering wheel. New, completely finless and electrically adjustable air vents are installed in the center console. It is possible to switch between several pre-configured and personalized climate control modes at the press of a button. An optional passenger display closely integrates the passenger into the driving experience. The 10.9-inch screen displays vehicle performance data on request. It also allows operation of the infotainment system and supports video streaming while the car is in motion. In order to avoid distracting whomever is behind the wheel, the passenger display cannot be seen from the driver's seat. For the first time, Porsche is equipping the model with continuous ambient lighting along the entire panel, emphasizing the breadth of the vehicle. All Panamera models are now even more comfortable than before thanks to improved seat foam materials, which increase comfort with enhanced elasticity. The executive models of the Panamera also feature a newly contoured rear seat system, which offers an optimized seating position. This ensures rear passengers arrive even more relaxed after long drives. Porsche has based the color and material options in the new Panamera on particularly fine materials and a wide selection of bi-color designs. For the first time, Porsche is also offering leather-free equipment in the Panamera, which combines particularly sporty materials such as Race Tex and Pepita fabric with each other. Porsche offers a total of 4 efficient e-hybrid powertrains for the new Panamera, in response to the high demand for this type of drive system. All e-hybrid variants benefit from greater performance, range and efficiency. The Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid is ready at market launch. The heart of its powertrain is a fundamentally revised 4-litre V8 turbo engine. The output of the newly developed electric motor is 140 kilowatts. Together, they create a system output of 500 kilowatts or 680 horsepower. The system torque reaches an impressive 930 Newton-meters. Porsche integrates the electric motor into the housing of the comprehensively redesigned 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. The Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid sprints to 100 km/h in 3.2 seconds and boasts a top speed of 315 km/h. Its battery capacity is now 25.9 kWh. This enables an equivalent electric range of up to 91 km in the combined cycle. A new 11 kW onboard AC charger shortens the charging time at suitable charging points to 2 hours and 39 minutes. The Panamera and Panamera 4 variants will also be available at the time of the launch. Modifications to boost pressure, fuel injection flow rate and ignition timing optimize the performance of the 2.9-litre V6 turbo engine. It now generates 260 kilowatts or 353 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque. This shortens the Panamera's sprint to 100 km/h to 5.1 seconds and boosts its top speed to 272 km/h. The all-wheel drive Panamera 4 now takes 4.8 seconds and reaches 270 km/h.